grapes, watermelons. It's little Jamaica, real Africa. Calm, business Africa. This is Wakanda. Amazing. Because like, this is not the ghetto. This is Africa. This is Tutu. There's Tutu. Living the African life. It's a half a moon. Oh yeah. I feel good. We're gonna roast some pork tonight. Yeah, and drink some alcohol and some wine. We still have wine, right? Hmm? This is Tutu.
Hello.
Living the African life. Yes. I could suck in all the air. I rested so much. I've been sleeping all the time in Africa. No.
Just an event, say maybe when an artist is coming from somewhere, it's an open place.
What's the name of this mall?
Lapa Crossing.
Lapa Crossing.
Yeah, Lapa is a river. So
Okay.
there's a river here, as you can feel the breeze.
There's a river here?
Yes. Can you feel the breeze?
There's a running water here.
No,
well,
I don't think there's water now.
Wow.
But behind here. Oh, there's one time that you called me that I was talking, I was with us, and then I showed you the river.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the river. So that's why it's called Lapa Crossing, River Crossing.
Oh.
Yes. So
this is nice. This is very nice.
Yes.
Oh.
They hold events here.
They have events in their language?
Different kinds.
Oh, nice.
Sometimes we have artists from outside coming here performing.
Well, that's beautiful.
It's called Stambik Bank Piazza.
Nice, Malapa. If I'm gonna build a house, it's best to do it in the country. To be away from this and just come in when I need to.
Yeah.
Because living here with all the traffic later on.
I believe in the near future, people are gonna look for jobs where actually houses, depending on where you work.
Okay.
Yeah. Because as I look up at things now, it's getting too complicated. Yeah. The traffic, the population, we're a small population, mind you.
Yeah.
So you can imagine when everybody gets a car, how it's going to be like.
Yeah.
So we need that.
The car insurance here, what's the cost?
Not everybody insures a car, and not everybody's forced to insure a car.
Forced?
Yeah.
So if you have an accident, who pays for it? The government?
No, you pay for it. And then there's a program. It's called MVA. MVA, it's a motor vehicle accident fund. When you get an accident, they fund you, like literally everything. They take you to hospitals and until you recover. Then later on they fix your car half, I think. Yeah, it's half. You split the costs. So yeah.
So like a Toyota car like that, how much would that go for? Like a little Toyota car, like even this one right here?
It depends on how the damage is.
You know, like the cost for this car. These little cars, how much do they go for?
This little car goes for, say, maybe 17,000.
Oh. Brand new?
No,
a second hand. And the amount of mileage on them?
Sometimes it goes up to 75.
75,000. So like, okay.
75. Yeah, 70, 75.
Okay. So what does Choppy Hyper means? It means a bigger store?
Yeah, the biggest store. At least it's a term.
So is it all this building here? It's like a main office.
Yeah.
So something like this would run you like 1,600 US, automatic.
And this one is 19.
19.
Yeah.
The Honda is more expensive.
No, it's cheap.
So that's good. That's
Consider the Honda that much.
a nice car. That's a nice car.
Mostly now, consider
This is Africa right now. I live it up in a 4K. Dance, ladies. On the dance, we show the world on the dance, and not forget down. So now we're frying some chicken outside. You see where the nice brown African style. Have the avocado too. Hey, I want to cook the okra, you know. Let me cook my okra with my onion. I want my okra, my beans. Let me do my thing. Let me do my thing. Let me do my thing. No, I'm scared that chicken that looks nice.
High five, yay!
We're making KFC. McDonald's, KFC, Nando, Minando. We're making Minando. This is the yard in Botswana. See how big it is? Yes. It's good. Relaxing over there, over the fire. We're making fried chicken, pork, and mealy corn. So yes, this is how we do things in Africa. We eat everything and anything. They comes Ron. He's the master chef today. So yes, he's all excited, cooking almost everything. Indeed, Ron is enjoying his stay here, right? A lot.
Yep. He's not going back to New York.
He's not gonna go back to New York, I'm telling you. Ron,
Yeah.
it's gonna be difficult for you to go back to New York, I'm telling you. Africa is so good.
You know, so a vibe we bring in where we go still. Jamaica, the people, wherever we go, we change it to now. We do things fast, we run fast, we make fast chicken, and we build quick restaurants all over the world. We create a real good vibe.
Ragged rasta.
You see me, I say? Play music everywhere we go and build a vibe, you see me?
So it's done.
Not yet, man, we're going to cook it with some okra and things. So right now we make the rest of the chicken. You see me? Get the meat to another pot.
Yeah.
We're cooking for all the children over the world, you know? They're like Jesus right now.
But you left a piece for my
And
bride?
that's the host right there.
Alright, star.
That's the host in Africa, and the son, Q, and baby JD.
Say hi.
That's
Say
the
hi, New
host.
York. Hi, New York, New York.
Anytime you want to come to Africa, visit those. That's Mr. and Mrs. Damon and Little Damon. Yeah.
Kiss, kiss.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Kiss again.
Mwah.
This is Africa. This is Africa. Botswana. Very peaceful. Food is very cheap. The people are good. You cook outside all day, all night. You know, Master. Good family. Link up with Q. All you have to do is fly to Johannesburg.
Yeah. True that.
Make sure you get a phone that you don't need.
Yeah, in case it gets stolen.
Right. But get an international open phone for like $70 in the state or $100.
Yeah.
Then get the chip, and then you go to Johannesburg, and then you take a bus. Don't take the plane to Botswana. It's very small. That plane will be shaking in the cloud.
Yeah.
You might not make it.
You might not make it.
Then you drive 4 hours, and you come to Botswana. You spend $70 for the whole month, or for the 2 weeks to rent a place. Then you call Q, tell him you reach. So we get you a room for 70 US, fenced up nice and everything good. And then Q go and bring you to the supermarket. You can cook at Q in the night.
No problem.
Then you go back to your yard.
No problem.
There's no Uber here.
No problem.
Right?
Yeah.
So you come, you drive around, rent your car. It's $15 a day. Drive on the left side and hold your vibe on. You can go to other lodges if you want, Lesser Mall, and just chill and relax. Take in the vibe, or go to restaurants, it's cheap. Everything good. Just come to Africa. This is Wakanda forever. Peace. See that? That's Africa time.
A little piece of wing to me.
You got some.
Oh, this boy.
No, what more I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go cut off a couple of pork fat and throw it in there, so. And leave it in there, so. And if I had some fly plantain, would I go crazy with that? We got some sliced pineapples on the side for the dinner. We got the okra and we'll cook the okra first. Then we're gonna put the peas in it.
You cook the okra right on it, too?
Yep. I have a pot ready. Right? And then cook the okra and the peas in it with onions.
Oh boy.
Yeah?
Oh boy.
It's nice.
There
You
we
go,
go.
everything. And then you put the chicken and mix it up in it.
Oh boy.
And then you put the corn back on the grill and you bring the pork out. The pork out is later with the drink. The pork is kind of like figure.
Lay back. Yeah.
When you cool down and your belly nice. Yeah?
I get you.
And you roll up some things and you just deal with it. And watch out for Babylon, because Babylon will sell you go jail for a whole year.
Babylon today.
See there? At the light. No, for the firewood you pay $2 US for the firewood. Chicken is $8 for 2 chicken. $4 a piece. Nice. The corn them, like 30 cents per corn. So you're good. Yeah. To the Jeep them there. We'll go hunting later. Watch my phone over the fire.
Yeah.
Tutu.
Yeah, I'm careful. I'm careful, bro.
Yeah, man, you see the vibe nice with the chicken. Is the Almighty say y'all go buy some chicken. Yes.
See how the fire is blending up nicely now?
Put a piece of pork and get another pan.
What you guys gonna have to say? Selfie time.
What you said?
What you guys gonna have to say? Since you are the host, say something.
Say something, baby.
No,
I did a lot of talking.
no, it's your turn.
I did a lot of talking.
What can I say? We are so excited to have Ron around. He's a cool, very cool person. So, no stress in the world, easy to flow, flexible.
He eats a lot.
Yo! Don't say that.
I didn't say that.
No, you didn't. Yeah.
And he cooks a lot.
And he cooks a lot. And
Delicious food.
And sleeps a lot.
Delicious
So love him around, so we really gonna miss him when he leaves. We hope to see him soon, and we hope to see other Jamaicans visiting us very soon.
Do you agree, Mr. Damon?
Yeah, I did.
And where are you from, by the way?
Me?
Next to the Jamaicans, huh?
No. I'm from New York.
Oh, he's from Guyana.
Okay, represent. I'm from GT, Guyana. representing. Yeah, all the way. Yeah. So we are enjoying the West Indian thing. It's called the West Indian or the Caribbean thing.
Yeah.
The Caribbean. Yeah. Soon my wife will be down there. She'll be also feeling the vibe. And she'll be representing Botswana, the African thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be Miss Africa. I'm probably sure that I'll be the first Botswana to be in Guyana.
Yeah. JD is African American.
Yeah, half.
Half, yeah.
Jay, you agree?
Say yeah.
Jay.
And show them I got game. I got from Palo, Nike.
Yeah, he got this from
the big brother.
From the big brother Palo Tutu's son.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, still it's not fitting him, so he likes it. So everywhere we go, he's carrying it around.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say
Bye.
thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Africa right now doing some cooking down. Full of vibe right now in Africa, Botswana. We got our pork. We got our pork skin right in there. We got the okra, carrots, onions. We got the butter beans, with pork beans, and some chicken done fry. We'll make a side sauce right there, so with some fried pork in there. And slice up okra, nice and thick, and make that bubble. And we got some corn. We're going to throw some corn right now upon the grill for the Africans them. Meat. Warm up a corn. Look at Jamaica where I deal with it. In Africa, got the pork on the side. You see me? That's how we live in Africa. Yeah. So you fry your chicken, you got your beans, your okra, and you put the chicken and you make the chicken just dive in it. Here's some pineapples to cut up at the side of it. You know me, I say your chicken soaking of that and stain of that. Run upon the thing. Yeah? And you take that off the fire, leave the chicken in there. Turn your corn and everything. So we'll live. So we'll live. Right? Okra, fried chicken, pork skin, yeah? And some beans. When you eat that, life. He better come do his thing. He needs to come take care of his thing.
Kwame! Your chicken is burning out here. Oh boy. Bring some bells this side.
Well, that's the pork fat. It's the oil. Cooking up some, this is Road Boy Run. I got the chicken hiding in the pond, hiding in the African pond. The Road Boy Run, me roast the pork, you know see me do it, I ain't no joke. I roast the corn, you know see me bad. Come from Jamaica with the yum yum of the sweet pineapple in the plate and Miss Rasta. We in Africa, I live on the coast of my Lord. But we must come to Botswana, man. Come eat some of this. Watch out now. Get a leg plate, my youth. Then you take up the chicken and hide in that. Yo, 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 yo. $1 million plate that. Yeah. Good morning, welcome to the African Run. It's yours truly, man called Randy, on the African journey in Botswana right now. Everybody living the life. Africa never been this amazing. In one of the central part of Africa right now, Botswana. Yes, 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 I made it to Wakanda. Wakanda forever. Yeah. Peace and tranquility. No stress. Everything easy. Everything nice. Different people and Indian, Chinese, African. I do them thing. So they run this morning, so the stretch there. Yeah, the Wakandians, them a live, so them a move and just live, you know. So them a live, you know. So them live life. Yes. Wakandians, them. I live. Africa. Look on it, Jaja, Africa. I see them on a rolling and this easy. You see that? It's a road. Peace and tranquility. No stress. Yeah, peace and happiness. See there? Botswana. Like this. One them a weed them grass. Keep the place clean. They work. And this is to pay them 50 US a month. But them work, huh? This is Africa. This is it. It's a long run this morning, just a nice walk. Keep going further and further. That's what the top said. Yeah. No crime. Botswana is easy. Easy. Family. People doing their thing. Cost of living is low. For now. This is in Botswana, and let's say some areas in Cape Town is safe. Johannesburg is getting kind of crazy. Even the ghetto here is clean. So this one is easy going, you know. Night is coming. You could sit out here all night. No stress. So I like Botswana because how peaceful it is, you know. Come back in. This is Tutu.
First lesson and I'm doing so good. So Jamaica, watch the space. I'm coming for you all the way from Africa, representing Botswana.
Dumpling power.
Yes.
She's making dumpling for the soup. That's Papa and Mama. Why don't you no need to press anything. So we're making dumplings. I'm sharing the culture again, Jamaicans. I should put on a good shirt. And this is the carrot juice. Right? This is my newfound carrot juice. Has a little bit of chemical in there, but this is tutu. And she made all this dumpling, yeah? Here's Mama and Papa.
It is so hard as a rock. Not so soft, but so hard as a rock. So we'll be going to the pot to dip this inside, because they gotta deep under the water. And then we serve with chicken feet. Yes, they're ready to go in. They are ready to go in. Come with me. Let me go start. Let's start dipping this in. Like this. Yes. So as you can see, we are dipping this in. Dipping in. There you go. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. There, he just put in some carrot juice. That's why it looks so orange. Yeah. Going in. Going in. Yes. Working hard, yo. Working hard.
So we have two sets of meats here. We got beef and chicken foot. We got carrot juice. We got pumpkins. 3/3 of the pumpkin.
Sweet potato.
We got sweet potato. The pot looks a little full. We need a bigger pot. Because we're serious about the food, yeah? Papa is there. And Mama is there. So we put sweet potato in there now. We got some cocoa in there too. But this pot, I know it's probably gonna
Boil.
come over. Yeah, man. We got get the dumpling in there. Put some more salt in there. And we got the scallion to put in there later. So now we're probably going to take out some of the water.
Done. So the dumpling is inside. We wait for it to boil. Same time with this. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to you didn't do any sweet potato, any Irish potato yet. So here's what's going to happen. Big pot, we might have to take up this other pot here. It's just that we run out, we have too much liquid. Right, Tutu?
Yeah.
And I wanted to cook some sweet potato too, some Irish potato, but we're running out
space.
Yeah, man. But we don't want to throw this away. So we take out some of the liquid. Next time we're going to buy a bigger pot, because you know in Jamaica we cook big. I want to cook the African loaf. This is the African loaf pot. A combination of Jamaican style and African style.
So I can't feel it.
Alright. So we need some Irish potato too.
We need some Irish potato.
I'm gonna get this cocoa. We want to cut up this scallion and put it in there for the seasoning. Now we're gonna, at the end we put the black pepper in there. At the end. This we bought at the store, carrot juice, in our soup, So we put this in there, add some color flavor. This is cocoa. JD. This is cocoa. So we could buy cocoa here in Africa, so Jamaica, no worry, no. The only thing that's different here, that's not in Jamaica. Jamaica has the big sugar cane. They have small sugar cane here. Everything else they have here. I haven't seen the plantain yet. Plantain.
They do have, huh?
We do have it in Choppies.
So we get some plantains, we make some plantain porridge. I see the bananas, everything them out. except the sugar cane. Pineapple is very sweet here, and the food is very cheap here. Botswana is 9 out of 10 one of the best African countries. Botswana, yeah. So Jamaicans, all we have to do is to come here and cook for them. You have a limited variety of style of cooking, right? Are you agree with that?
Yeah.
Give me some of your dishes. Like, what are some of the things you cook a lot? Like,
Mostly we cook pap.
pap is cornmeal, white cornmeal.
Yeah. Pap, morogo, like a vegetable,
Yeah.
and meat. Then secondly, it's samp mixed with beans, like black eyed beans. We call that the kobe. Yes. And the other thing is bokobe. Bokobe, we do mix it with sour milk. If you want to eat it with something salty, we mix it with sour milk. Or we can do plain bokobe, then we can eat it with milk.
Yeah.
Yeah. So those are mainly our dishes that we normally have, like in most of the houses they eat them like every day. Yeah.
So that's 5 variations.
Yep.
So for breakfast, what do you eat?
For breakfast we normally have porridge. Or we can just take bread and tea. That's all.
Bread and tea.
Yeah. But nowadays, since we are in the modern days, they do take some cornflakes and cereals and the other thing. But when we go back to the village, we know
Can you film
definitely.
her saying this for me? I want to know the variety. All right, Papa. See, you know, super good. With that bubble. So we're talking about the variety of food with Lou, I call her, but your real name is?
It's lumo. It's a fruit, like I said.
Lungo.
Yeah. Good.
And she's talking about, so they do like 5 variety of food, and for breakfast like 3? Like,
Yeah. Breakfast is porridge, bread and tea, or cereals.
and what else?
That's all.
So Jamaicans, that's what we need to be here. We can help them to change up the style,
Yeah.
you know, and give them a wider variety
Yeah.
and exchange that culture with them. So Jamaicans, when you come here and you open up a restaurant, you will be extremely wealthy
Yeah.
because they've never tasted certain things. Here comes the loser man. Point the camera on him. There's a loser right there. Yeah, the worthless one.
Hello, Mr. Daisy.
The worthless man.
All right, so we'll come back later with the cooking. So we're going to help, I call her Lou,
Yeah.
to cook different things.
Yeah.
All right?
Then we need to stop eating porridge, eh? Because porridge is giving us big stomach as well. So we need to, we need to cut
Yeah.
down. Cut down on
Plantain porridge, banana porridge, cornmeal porridge. We could try different kind of cereal and little eggs with plantains in the morning, right?
Yeah.
And what else do we eat in Jamaica? Just some mint tea, slice of bread.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah. To another level.
Bye.
Cheese.
Peace. You're looking at the Jamaican pot, African love, yeah? See, chicken foot, beef, pumpkin, carrot, flour, corn, sweet potato, cocoa, and no Irish potato yet, thyme.
You put the okra in it?
Oh no! Oh, you see,
No, you can't do without okra.
No, today no okra, please. Today no.
Why?
tell the world to come to Africa. Go ahead.
Why?
We want. Look, wait. Go to
Okra, you know what we do? Let's just
put
put in like 6, 7
Yeah,
okra
we
for bile food. We sell. The
meat
whole
it.
one, we bust in the pot.
Why she don't want okra?
She love it. But then like 10 for me and you just the whole one, right? Whole one.
Papa?
Hello, Jamaica.
Yeah.
Hello, New York. We want you all to come here to visit us. Here, we are a nice and big family. We love people, love my son, the only son.
One and only representing.
The only son.
Yeah.
But we welcome everybody, everyone. Jamaica, New York, Jamaica, New York. Come. You're welcome. Me and Dad, we love visitors. Me and Dad, we love visitors. So whoever wants to visit here, he will ask Uncle Ron. He can ask Ron. Ron will tell him.
Where's the taste is not easy now we got it finally.
Yes.
African
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We love you. We love you.
Yes. See, this is the loving part from Jamaica straight to Africa. Yeah, we're cooking up some love for them. And then
We love to eat.
Then we have the princess over here.
The two princesses.
The two princesses over there.
With our king. With their king.
Yes. Thank you so much for inviting us to your home.
Welcome, brother.
Thank you so much.
Come
We
again.
still need other families to come.
Welcome to our visit.
Welcome.
You're
Yes.
Welcome, brother.
All right, make a season life in Botswana, Randy, presenting Jamaica to the family of Africa. So I represent. I not joke with them, you know. I give them love and life and everything. Put some onion in there. I got throw with skeleton in there, you know.
Okay, 1 second.
And Q, I put some more okra in it.
Let me wash it up first, man.
Yeah. I'm gonna live the life, you know. Tomorrow we're going to plant some tree. And Randy going to plant some trees in Africa.
Represent.
And every year I go watch the tree them grow, with the fruits them for each and every one on the Jamaican we go represent. And then one can come and I go build a nice tent on the land.
Yeah, man.
Couple bunk beds. And when I go sleep.
Bubbling up nicely.
Is that bubble up nice?
Yeah, bubble up nice.
Bubble up, trouble up.
Rub it up style. Yeah, man.
I throw some okra in there for the youth them, but
Yeah.
you know,
Nah,
nice.
them youth not going to talk, bro. Them
Alright,
look right now.
alright, good. Make that bubble. See the big trouble part, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Bubble
we're
like
living
a
now,
trouble.
living now.
It's not the double.
Family thing, you know, family thing. Jamaica to Africa, so we do it. Get some light on this, my big man. Get some light on it. Get some light. I'll show the world. Get some light. Come now, get some light.
Well, I know last time. We have the boss. We have the boss. Like, yeah, here's your light.
Yes. Hygiene and sistering all over the world. This is love from Jamaica to Africa. See how we are doing big? I mean, when you talk about money and wealth and love, right there, son. Eh? And that is love.
Good health. Good
And
wealth.
cheap, you know.
Yeah,
For them
man.
was like $1 for the whole pack.
Yeah.
Can't
Of course,
cheap,
yeah.
like 30 cents for a can. It's cheap.
Unbelievable.
You know what I say? Wakanda forever. Look here. Hey, we just have a team up with the African family.
Yeah.
Just you guys don't do things on your own no more. Africa is about unity and family and community. You're not supposed to come try buy land for food. And we'll put some beef in it too.
Alright.
We got some cocoa. We got corn, we got dumpling, we got
some chicken in there.
we got chicken, we want chicken in there, and we got okra in there too. And this is a love African pot. I'm gonna put the skeleton in little later, but we're gonna put it in now.
Tap it off.
And make it tap it off, and we got to cut up the pepper in it.
Yeah.
And this patty is for the little picnic them.
Yeah, this is a little bit.
So we look up to them after cook out.
I love nice.
See them nice, and make them cook it out. And make them cook out, and then we can get them.
You put that duff in it for them little
a little
picnic.
dumpling, put a one dumpling.
Nah,
No.
they can't get
They
dumpling.
can't get dumpling.
No, they can't get a sweet boy.
Yeah. I should have put some more okra in there for make it solid for them, you know?
No, they got no.
And then we take out the okra and we eat it. We should have hide the okra enough for them. Alright, make us stop clear on the food and let the food cook. Alright, love, peace and honor, life and everything. This is what you call wealth. Family, food and love.
Nice family.
Family, good morning. This is Chef Ron in Africa again. This morning what we're doing is something very simple. Good morning, my dear. Sit in the lady that knows.
Morning.
This is Chef Ron and the family in Africa. Turn it the other way, big man. Yeah, something very simple this morning. Black pepper and salt, eggs beat up in the thing, right? Something very cheap. You know that this is potato, fried potato, simple, right? So you cut the potato very slim, yeah? Simple thing, yeah? Cheap potato. Put the potato in the egg and then mix it around a little. Hide it in there, get it wet. The pot is already hot, right? Throw it in the pot, that's it. So that this is something really nice. You don't need bread. Oh, there you go. That fry up in there. And that is it right there. So you can mix up the breakfast a little bit. And the eggs in there, see that? And you make a potato. This is good for energy for the husband and the wife to get out to work. Because you're giving natural carb. Nothing is processed here. This is no processed food. This is natural food. The egg come from the farm. The potato come from the ground. And you let it cook in there. That's it. Well, I'm gonna try that, but this one I'm gonna fry without the eggs. It's better probably fry it without the eggs. This is nice. You wanna taste this one, sir? Taste this. Tastes good.
Salt.
Some salt on that. No salt was on that one. But you can feel the crunch in the middle.
Yeah, man.
It's not totally raw, but it's not totally cooked. You get a little crunch on it. Feel good?
I will.
So that's this morning breakfast. Turn it around. Make the oil cook it. And then you have some beautiful pancake sweet potato.
I will.
Easy thing.
I will.
Easy thing.
That's good. I think.
You see that? You
Yeah.
got with your breakfast to feel good, Sam?
I will.
Simple thing. Go work,
You get it?
make some tea, you're good.
See?
So what was you think about the soup last night?
Ah, the soup there, I will. But you got last some more.
Why? What do you think about the soup last night?
The good was delicious. Delicious.
Off the hook.
Did Jamaica make an impact?
Yeah, man.
Slice the potato papa in your plate. Eat your papa raw. Of course, papa raw, but
Early morning like this.
early morning, eat your breakfast. You must have a piece of fruit with your potato, with your eggs, and drink some bush tea. You need to plant some lemongrass tea.
Yes, sir.
Cause them not have no bush on yourself.
Yes.
You represent West Indian and me ask them, where the bush there? Them say them not have a bush.
Yes, sir.
So it better you not put the egg on it, because the egg burn quick. Just do the potato.
That done, take down.
No man, you have to,
You need to turn it.
But
yes.
you want it overcooking now.
So just the heat.
Well, I feel it tonight, it look like, you see, when I cook it by itself, and the egg burn quick, so be careful. You can put the egg on it after, if you want.
Which means you can reduce the heat.
So I'm gonna get the raw one without the eggs, because the egg burn quick. You might have to cook, fry them first.
No, even if you put with the eggs,
See this?
alright.
This now needs to cook with some more oil. It needs to cook like how we cook the chicken. Put oil on it and slow cook it. It have to cook, you know, not fry. It have to cook. That's why it have to be slim. Yeah? These were not too slim. When you like how it tastes, it have a kind of
Right, it is.
punch in the middle. Your body process that carb. Your body.
The energy there.
Damn shit is sweet, man. Check it out, man. Damn thing is sweet too. If you can't get breadfruit.
This can come in good.
Yeah. This is 100% energy. When you go to work, so if you don't have bread, potato, you don't have to always eat bread. This is more natural. This can't kill you. When the body eats it, the body say, yo, I know what this is. Bread, the body say, boy, this is complex carb.
Okay.
You good, Mama? No. Yeah, so no egg. You can taste the one with the egg. It's not done cooked, but still, man and man, you taste the crunch. So you what we do? When we fry it, we want to put on the egg. I don't throw on the pot. No. We fry it. Put it on the egg, then throw it back in the pot. You know what? Just that with the egg on it.
It was a sample.
When you're in Africa, you have to try things. The egg gives a little. You feel it.
I get it.
But you want to cook first. Yeah, man. Yes, man. Yes, that's right. So you fry it first. We're improvised today in the kitchen this morning. Make it slow fry. Check that. Check that thing.
Yeah, man.
You slow fry, then you check it. Throw the egg. Go back in there real quick. Check it down. And then you get that kind of crunch. The kind of the egg rapid brown. You get that kind of. Family, give thanks, wife.